Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. We're going to start at the back of the boat. This one has Mercury's brand new 250 horsepower V8 motor, naturally aspirated, just came out. As we hop on this boat, you can see that you do have a very nice, wide, easy to access swim platform. We do have the seagrass mat on top of this, makes it a little easier on the feet, easy to keep it clean. As we walk towards the cockpit, you can see very easy entry into the boat. It's all one level, nothing to trip on, nothing to stub your toe on. Entertaining. This boat is all about entertainment. As you can see, very spacious cockpit. Both the helm seat and co-pilot seat do flip fore and aft, so you can have a large seating area, put 8 to 10 people up here. Added bonus, the rear seat does flip forward, backwards and slide, giving an even larger space in the back of the boat. As we move forward to the helm, we do have the 9-inch Simrad screen. It is a full GPS chart plotter as well as all the engine data. Keeps the dash looking really clean. We also do have the upgraded Fusion stereo system on this. Very clean flush mount again, Bluetooth to your phone, very easy to use all your favorite tunes, have it cranking. With this being the SDX model, it's all about entertaining and getting the entire family on the boat. You do have a great storage area, place you can get somebody down out of the sun. There also is a pump out head in there with a flip down cushion that goes on top of it. Again, all about the all-day entertainment. We do have the water sports tower on this one. You can hook up an inner tube, wakeboard, water ski to it, and it also does have the integrated bimini top. Moving forward to the bow of this boat, it is a little bit unique having the port entry, but it does give you nice space once you get up here. Slide out cooler, front boarding ladder, and plenty of cup holders throughout. Again, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland, 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Give us a call, stop on in and take it for a test drive.